In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage your multi-session memberships on the Fresha platform, providing a seamless experience for both you and your clients. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Fresha dashboard. Once you're there, take a look at the menu options laid out for you. Towards the right side, you'll find an option labeled Catalog. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can handle various catalog items, but today we're focusing on memberships. So once you're in the catalog section, look for the memberships option and give that a click as well. This section is specifically designed for managing your multi-session memberships, which is perfect for those wanting to offer clients multiple appointments or sessions as part of a package. Now that you're in the memberships area, you'll see a button labeled Start Now. Click on that to begin the process of setting up your membership. It's quite straightforward, and I'm here to walk you through each component. The first step is filling in some basic information. You'll want to give your membership a clear and attractive name, something that reflects what you're offering and will catch the eye of potential members. Accompany this with a description. The description should succinctly explain what the membership includes, highlighting any unique benefits or features that set it apart from single-session offerings. After setting up the foundational details, it's time to add the services included in the membership. Be sure this list is comprehensive, outlining each service that a member will have access to. Transparency here is key. It helps avoid any future confusion for your clients and sets clear expectations about the value they're receiving. Next, you'll want to define the pricing and payment structure. Consider your business goals and what will be attractive yet sustainable for your client base. Deciding on a price involves balancing affordability for your clients with profitability for your business. Additionally, don't forget to set the tax rate applicable to your services, ensuring you're in compliance with local tax regulations. A touch of personalization never hurts, so consider adding a color to your membership. A distinct color can make your offering visually appealing and more easily identifiable in your catalog. Lastly, it's crucial to lay out the terms and conditions. This section should clearly communicate any rules or limitations regarding the use of the membership, offering protection and clarity for both you and your clients. Once you've carefully reviewed and filled out all these sections, you're ready for the final step. Look to the top right of the page and click on Create Membership. And there you have it. Your new membership option is all set up and ready to offer to your clients. By adhering to these steps, you'll create compelling multi-session memberships that are well-defined and enticing to your customer base. Thank you for joining me today, and happy